handheld, wireless, portable for home use and outdoors clearance. Compared with traditional gasoline hair dryers, it saves many tedious steps. The handle is rubber-coated for a comfortable grip. The latest lithium technology, strong power and long-lasting battery life. One click to start the wind power adjustment. Wind strength can be adjusted as desired. Easily blow away fallen leaves and debris in corners. Blow away snow. Brushless motor, handheld, wireless, portable for home use and outdoors clearance. The latest lithium technology. Strong power and long-lasting battery life. The handle is rubber-coated for a comfortable grip. One button start with 5-speed wind speed adjustment function and supports 1-key turbo mode. Wind strength can be adjusted as desired. The handle is rubber-coated for a comfortable grip. The air outlet duct is equipped with a quick buckle to achieve convenient and quick disassembly and installation.